2022, and I am calling the assembly of Gaudeir Tuja. Good thought is bringing such a beautiful thought is coming backward Gita. Good morning everyone. Today is the good thought. The roots of education are bitter but the fruits is sweet. Thank you. Thank you Gita. Special day. The earth revolves around itself. Its rotation is continuous. Some events happen each round. This special day is coming Dere Aradhya. Good morning everyone. Today's day is special. Birth of Omkesh Chandra Banerjee, the first president of Congress. Thank you. Thank you Aradhya. Values. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has put together 10 moral values. One of them will the moral values World Mare Samruddhi. Good morning everyone. Today's moral values respect. If a child learns to respect his peer and his elders from a younger age, there is no doubt that he will benefit from it in the future. Thank you friends. Thank you Samruddhi. Newspaper. The taluka includes the happening in the state. In today's newspaper is coming World Mare Pragati. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Today's news number 1. News makes negative COVID reports mandatory for travels from China. News number 2. Australia versus South Africa second test. Thank you friends. Thank you Pragati. Meditation. Meditate I am bringing up a meditation so as to get rid anxiety. Meditation is coming power Akshara. Good morning everyone. Today is meditation in all. The basic principle and practices of meditation are routine soul is internal and maintains on eternal relationship with God. Thank you. Thank you Akshara. General knowledge. We are getting a lot of questions. Some we also have less. See if you can answer this question. So are bringing today's question is Dhengi Madhuri. Good morning everyone. Today is general knowledge. Question first. 5th class. Which is the fastest animal in earth? Cheetah is correct answer. Question 2 for 6th class. Which organ is most sensitive in our body? Wrong.
Repeat.
Which organ is most sensitive in our body? Skin is correct answer. Question 3 for 7th class. Who is now as father of Constant? Who is now as father of Constant? The correct answer is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Question 4 for 8th class. Who is invented computer?
सोपा प्रश्न आहे ना.
Charles Babbage is correct answer. Question 6. Which organ purifies our blood? Which organ purifies our blood?
Purify.
The correct answer is kidney. Question 10 for test. Question 6. 10 class. How many cricket World Cups does have India? Two World Cup is correct answer. Question for everyone. What is national tree of India? Banyan tree is correct answer. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you Madhuri. Story. Problems not everything goes according to plan, but don't forget the things happen according to plan. This is life. Difficult times from time to time. This story is coming power Varsha. Good morning everyone. Today is moral story. A thirsty crow. Once upon a time, 3 was a crow. One day it was very thirsty. He flew here and